So now in this video, we're going to introduce the light dependent resistor as a voltage divider to this video series. When the light dependent resistor is on the higher side, closer to positive than your fixed resistance there, a brighter light will bring it closer to 5 volts. Now the more resistance that the fixed resistor has, the easier you get a higher voltage than when it has a lower resistance. That's because it's connecting better to the negative supply. You need a very bright light to get really close to 5 volts. So hooking up my pocket oscilloscope, you can see with this light level we have 2 volts right there. If I darken the light dependent resistor, we got the 1000 ohm fixed resistor right there, it's pretty easy to get to 0 volts. And unfortunately my headlamp, the batteries are dead. I gotta charge them, but there you can see we can get up to 5 volts. This is flashing on and off rapidly, and but you can see we got up to 5 volts right there. So now what I'm going to do is keep the circuit the same, except for instead of a 1000 ohm resistor, you can see it went to 5 volts because now it's connected to the positive supply with nothing pulling the voltage down. We're gonna, instead of 1000 ohm resistor, now we got a 47,000 ohm resistor, and so now it's easy to get 5 volts with this light level. I have to get the light dependent resistor really dark. In fact, I got to pretty much turn the light off for the most part to get all the way down to 0 volts. So much harder to get to 0 volts with a higher low side resistor. If we want the opposite response when it comes to the voltage, going high or low, depending on how much light is falling on the light dependent resistor, we simply take the light dependent resistor and put it on the low side right there. And our fixed resistor, we're going to come back to the 1000 ohm resistor to the high side. And now you can see we're a couple volts away from 5 volts. Instead of a couple volts away from 0 volts, I'll put the bright light. You can see that get it to 0. Of course, it's flashing on and off rapidly, which the oscilloscope is picking up on there. But if we get it dark enough, there you can see now we can easily get to 5 volts. When we have a 1 kilo ohm resistor, we're going to pop that out and swap it again with the 47 kilo ohm resistor. And with this lamp, this one works better. You can see with the lamp at its high setting, we got almost 0 volts. And if we get it dark, we get to about 5 volts. I got to get it even darker. So you make adjustments with the fixed value resistor when it comes to sensitivity. Otherwise, the light dependent resistor responds to light. Now, some light dependent resistors have a different resistance at different light levels. There's different part numbers and stuff. They look a little bit different. So you may have to take that into account, but for the most part, it's got a resistance based on the light level, and you adjust the fixed resistor. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Check out one of the other videos that I'm posting. I'll see you in the next video.